your mail, sugar.
Hey there, Ryan here. Silly Reviews. Let's do I'm going to make a new playlist, and it's just going to be called Unboxing. I receive all kinds of stuff in the mail almost daily, packages, parcels, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, whether it's from potential sponsors, whether it's from deals that I've found, whether it's just necessities that I need. So this will be what came in. No, let's see. Wait. What got delivered today? Number one. Here we go. Use a little boo-bop box cutter. You know, one thing I learned about box cutters really not that long ago, the kind like this. I knew for a while that you could pop off the dull blades. They're kind of like segmented like that. What I didn't realize is this break right here. For something so inexpensive, it's just, this is one of those designs that's just so incredible. This break right here keeps it from going back and forth, and you can just slice and dice. That's exactly what we'll do here. Most of the time when stuff arrives, I don't remember what's supposed to be arriving, unless I specifically look at the notification that comes to my phone. But I'm trying not to be able to do this, what got delivered today. If you ever see me open something, and it's not all going to be from Amazon all the time, just today it happens to be, the delivery gods blessed us, because even though Saturday and Sunday deliveries from Amazon do happen here, they'll say they're out for delivery and then they won't come till Monday, like half the time at least. So today was a lucky day. We're going to look what's in here. Now, what I wanted to mention was, if you ever see me open something and I give you a story about it and you're like, damn, how did he get it so cheap? Where did he get it from? How do I find deals like that? If you leave a comment, I'll give you some more information, because that's like my hobby. My hobby is finding deals. I also have an e-commerce store and an eBay store, and I flip a lot of stuff. I'm a reseller. So let's see what we got in the mail today. What got delivered? And if my deliveries look different from yours because they're always going to be in boxes or bags, that's because I've given you this tip before, especially if you're a reseller, especially if you, for some reason, need to mail things, ship things. By default, they like to do that. Hide what's inside. I always go the other route. Put it in some more packaging, because I'm going to reuse this packaging. Now I have no need for boxes, and a lot of times there's filler in here. You can use the tissue, the bubble paper, the little blow-up cushions for free. Whoop, sorry about that. All right, let's see what's in this box here. So in this box, we have... All right, Chunky Soup was marked down, some of them, pretty well this past week, pretty significantly, and I'd never tried this one before. This is a Texas-style barbecue burger with natural smoke flavor, and you can see it's like almost like dog food. The little burger bites that they give you, that's pretty funny. But this was like $1.50, which is a pretty good price. That's not even sale price at grocery stores, and that's all that's in here. But look, I resell shoes. I renew shoes and I resell them. This stuffs the shoes, gives them their shape, makes them look nice when they arrive to the customer. It looks a little like, reminds you of when the shoe was new, and the shoe you bought from me is pretty darn new, and it keeps its shape. So this is like worth money here. So forget the hide what's inside. Give me more packaging. The only downside to the hide what's inside, your delivery is going to be something smaller, you know, size-wise. So if you don't have like a walk-up porch that they can make the deliveries to, maybe you live in a condo, some type of shared dwelling apartment, whatever, you may end up getting screwed to where now you have to go to the post office or UPS or whatever, make some type of arrangements to be able to go get your delivery, because they couldn't put it in your box, your bin, your mailbox, whatever. This would set you back in that instance, so thankfully I don't have that issue. So please give me a box, give me paper, give me padding, give me bubble mailers. All can be reused. And the bubble mailers, you have to rip those open. They don't like to send those as much. They send those messy paper cardboardy ones, which I hate. But the bubble mailers, you can reuse them even though you've ripped them open. And I'll show you how I did that as soon as I can get another one of those in. Here we go. What's in this box? What's in the box? What got delivered? Doo-doo-doo-doo. I don't know. Is that the theme song? Could be. Okay, so we have some distilled vinegar, and there's nothing else in this box, but there was supposed to be one more item. I wonder if they put it in the mailbox. So this is just some distilled white vinegar. I use this for making salad dressing, making hot sauce, and these are so cheap, even though you do better if you get the 128 ounce big jug from Walmart or similar. It comes out cheaper per ounce, but these little things are so convenient, and they really do get me, because when I check out, it's like, hey, do you need this or need that? You know, don't forget these items. And they'll show me some of these super cheap things, like this is like 80 cents. Oh yeah, I'll get one because I don't have any right now and I'm too lazy to drive anywhere. So, that's what that is. So there was supposed to be a third item that we could just make a whole different episode about that, because I bet that last item is in the mailbox. But there we go. And I guess I could review this another time too, because this looks pretty good. Have you ever tried it? What's your favorite Campbell's Chunky Soup? What is your favorite? Right now, my favorite, I tried it's like a Chipotle spicy corn chowder or chicken corn chowder. Man, that was really good. But I even like the old school ones from when I was a kid. Give me that vegetable stew type one. That one is always a winner. But that'll do it for the first episode. Hopefully I'll keep up with this. This is the episode 1 of what got delivered today. Check out my other videos, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.